nutraceutical. What is that? Kasi nutra means volume. Diba? Volume, marami of nutritious ingredients. Parang ganyan. Marami, diba? So, when you go to your grocery, maraming naka-attach yung nutra. I don't know some terms. Nakikita nyo, marami, volume, Tapos yung mga ingredients, diba? Angel, Rina, Erica, kakaiba. Hindi ko ibig sabihin na but there are some that are quite unusual to our hearing or yung parang kaalaman, di ba? Nutraceuticals are substance, either they can be medicinal or other functional aspect. So pwede siyang gamot, pwede siyang substance, pwede siyang mga a group of supplements that can either be functional as a drug or as a supplement. So when you talk about nutraceuticals, so this is our volume of active ingredients that might be found on top of another organic substance or a sabi natin food products. So anong ibig sabihin yan? Sasabihin nyo, di ba, Angel, Erica, Rina, ang gulo-gulo mo naman, Dr. Lee, para lagi yatang na-confuse. Ibig sabihin, kung meron kang isang pagkain, meron siyang katangi-tangi ang ingredients na kakaiba sa lahat. Tama ba ang Tagalog ko?
Yes.
Some substance that stands out from the rest. Di ba? Kaya nga gusto nyo Kaya nga gusto ni Angel, ni Rina, ni Erica bilhin sa grocery or sa
There
supermarket.
must be something, no?
There must be something in you. Hindi nyo ba natatanong minsan yan pag bumibili? There must be something in you. I like you. I'm gonna buy you. So probably, yung something na alam niyo, these are special active ingredients. But sometimes, you do not know they are other special active ingredients. When you have special active ingredients on a plant, on a vegetable, on a meat product, on a supplements or food, organic products, you term this as nutraceutical product.
Yun pala yun.
Alam nyo na, ha?
So
Now we
parang
know what it is.
aside from nutrition, pwede din siyang gamiting supplement or medicine.
Yes, oo. Parang katuwang mo, parang tingnan mo parang pag bumili ka, Angel, inumin mo to kasi meron siyang ganyan. Di ba? Minsan sabihin, meron siyang ganyan, mas maganda siya doon.
Para sa ganito.
Para sa ganito. Puro ganyan.
Sa ganyan at ganyan.
Siyempre, pag magsabi tayo ng brand ng baka maano tayo.
Yes,
diba? So, this one is this. Ganun pala. Then ikaw, pag di mo, that is why. Yan. So, ganun ang nutraceutical. So, what does nutraceutical have importance to us, di ba? Kasi ang nutraceutical, I think I have a slide there. It is important basically, one is for health. Di ba? Sa ating kalusugan. Kalusugan, Dok, malusog na ako. Malusog na pala ako. Hindi. There are things that you think that you're healthy but you are not. You might be healthy in the outside looking externally but inside
you're
warak
lacking.
yung system. So warak talaga
You're decaying.
Tama.
You're rotting.
You're rotting, you're decaying, you're non-functioning.
It's getting extinct.
What is that? So ibig sabihin your metabolism is not as well as what you think. So either your external surface features might look well but inside hindi. Kaya laging minsan sabihin, di ba? Lagi natin sinasabi, Angel, Rina, Erica, bakit yan? Parang malaki naman ang pangangatawan pero laging masakitin. Di ba mayroong gano'n?
Oh, yeah, that's right.
Siya ang payat-payat. Hindi kayo naman maganda kayo sexy. Parang payat-payat, pero ang lakas-lakas. Di ba? You hear that from people. Laki-laki mo, pero sakitin ka. Parang once a month or every quarter. Kakasakit ka.
It's not what we think.
Yes, because probably you're not eating the proper nutrients. Probably your body needs other nutrients that can cover up or increase or activate your other system that is needed, no? Later on, we'll talk about that. Okay. Then, maganda ang nutraceuticals because, alam nyo yan, nabanggit ni Erica kanina before we go on live, di ba? Ay, may mga produkto kung yan, mga linalagay nyo, tinatapal nyo sa mukha. Tinatapal talaga sa mukha. These are what? They prevent, these are very important because they have active ingredients. One nutraceutical active ingredients, is collagen. No?
Wow.
Products with collagen.
Yes.
It delays the aging process. So pag ibig sabihin, pag may bumili ka ng vitamin, multivitamin, wala yung active ingredients, Angel, Rina, Erica, hindi siya nutraceutical. It is just a plain and simple multivitamins. It will not tell you pag bibili ka, sabi ni Erica, ka sa grocery, yan, pwede ba akong hindi tumanda? Ay, hindi po, ma'am. Ganun.
Tatanda ka rin.
Kasi walang collagen. Wala siyang added, So, yun ang sinasabi, no? Okay. Then, what is nice about nutraceuticals? Kasi it prevents chronic diseases. What are chronic diseases? Yung mga, yung parang tumanda ka na sa edad mo, sumasabay sa'yo. Example, diabetes. Di ba? Meron ba sinabing, Angel, pag diabetes ka, 30 years old, pagdating mo ng 50, bago
graduate
pa mag-senior citizen, graduate? Wala.
Wala na. Yun na yun.
It's your lifelong companion.
Yes, hanggang pumunta ka saan man susunod na buhay
Hindi mo kayo magkatuluyan ng jowa mo. Pero
dala-dala mo ang diabetes mo. Diba? Hypertension. Okay? Ano pa ba? Yung mga, sometimes obesity. But obesity can be corrected readily easily. Okay.
Yes.
Yung mga arthritis, diba? Diba? You have your rheumatoid, osteoarthritis, and gouty arthritis. Yung mga ganun. And your autoimmune. Yung autoimmune disease. Dala-dala mo yan hanggang sa Bakit? Iisipin mo. Because your system, yan ang binanggit ko kanina, your system was okay, looks okay externally, but internally, your system is yan. Nabanggit nyo, rotten, nadedecay, yung wala na. It's going into its non-metabolic yung proper function niya. So hindi na siya nagiging sang-ayon sa dapat gawin niya, no? So that's one. When you have nutraceuticals, that can help improve. I am not saying it will stop. It will end. It will improve conditions to such extent na yung complication ng dinadala ng sakit mababawasan. Example, diabetes ka. Maaring ma-improve, ibig sabihin ma-improve, hindi tumataas lagi yung sugar mo. Pag hindi tumataas ang sugar mo, hindi ka nagkakaroon ng problema. Ano bang problema ng diabetes ninyo, di ba? Diabetic retinopathy, pwede kang mabulag. Gangrene, nangingitim ang toes mo. Gusto mo ba mangitim ang toes mo? Di ba? Diabetic yung sa kidneys, 'di ba? Nephropathy, diabetic nephropathy. So nasisira ang kidney. So ito yung sinasabi, one example of that. So your nutraceuticals prevent you from having those chronic problems, complications in the long run. Okay? It gives you a better life expectancy. Yan ang laging dapat yung tanungin pag nagko-consult ako kung meron kayong mga grandparents o mga kaibigan na medyo senior. How is the life expectancy? Ibig sabihin, pag nagkaroon ka, sinabihan ka ng doktor, ay, ganyan ka na, meron kang ganyan. Dok, tanungin nyo lagi, kamusta ang magiging life expectancy niya in the next 5 years? Kamusta ang magiging pamumuhay niya in the 5 years? What will I do in order to make the next 5 years or 10 years much better? Diba? This is how we gauge our senior citizen or mga elderlies. No, Angel? Laging ganyan. Kasi alam mo yan, diba? So parang anong gagawin? Sasabihin ng doktor, kasi ganyan. You give supplement like that. You give ganyan-ganyan. Dami-dami, di ba? Sabi niya, ang dami naman ito. Pwedeng parang lalagay mo yata sa isang kaha. Parang i-memorya mo. Papainumin mo lahat sa kanya. Di ba, Erica? Di ba? Okay, so ganun. So, but these are needed because these are complementary to a better performance of yung mga bodily function ng individual. Remember, when you are getting old, like me, you have to have those. Hindi na pwede vitamin C lang. Hindi naman pwede vitamin A lang na.
Hindi ka na bumabata.
Ng support system.
Oo.
Diba? Hindi kailangan more. There should be more substantial. And your nutraceuticals are very, very good because they are structured. They help rebuild and structure and repair. Those are important when you are aging. Repair, you have to hear those words: repair, rejuvenation, and regeneration. Pag yung tatlong yan, the RRR, di ba? Ay nawawala na, nako, malamang yung mga words nyo, decaying, rotten, and everything, di ba? Parang you're going extinction, dinosaur.
Hindi pa naman.
Huwag pa naman dinosaur.
Hindi pa naman.
Okay. So example of nutraceutical active ingredients. Okay. Example natin ng vitamins ha. Doc, di ba minsan tayo, vitamin B complex.
Yes.
Anong vitamin B? Anong vitamin B? B1? Thiamine, pamata? B12, pang mga cobalamin para sa mga ugat, ganon? O di ba nabanggit ko sa inyo before, B10. Sometimes you will be prescribed B10, di ba? Alam mo, Angel, yung mga cancer. Pang cancer yan. So those are exceptional vitamin B substances, no? Such that your doctor might want you to have, or your patients, for your relatives or whatever, di ba? So yun ang yung sinasabi kong nutraceutical active ingredients in the fact. Okay. Minerals. Okay? Naku, minerals. May mina ba tayo? Diba? Pag lalaki, example, lagi kong sinasabi, zinc, selenium, magnesium. Diba naririnig nyo?
Yes.
These are for men, na. Why, Doc? Bakit kailangan? Para sa similya nyo. Ngayon, hindi ba marunong yung testicles mo magano? Because sometimes when you're aging, this one goes down. And sometimes when the food that you eat, alam mo, Erica Rina, hindi mo readily makukuha yung zinc. Readily ka ba kukuha ng bibili ng malalaking oysters, Australian oyster? Hindi naman lahat kaya, di ba? Angel, na kagaya natin, makakaano tayo, di ba? We love oysters.
Ikaw lang yung nakaka-annual sa buhay.
Dobra ka.
Kaya paminsan-minsan lang.
So, ibig sabihin, oysters are very high in zinc. But how many of us, di ba? Hindi. Kasi mahal yun, di ba? Tell me, it's expensive. Kasi I don't go to market.
Parang hindi naman siya pang araw-araw, Walang pakilala.
Yan na
araw-araw
nga.
may pa-oyster.
Di ba? Oyster kayo. Oyster ka.
Pero sarap.
So, pero masarap siya. Pero yun na nga. But you have formulated zinc products that you know. So yun ang sinasabi. That's another, those are type of minerals that are needed. Okay? Vitamin, there are specialized vitamin. Example yung vitamin D natin, kasi meron yung different configuration. They have D1, D2, D3, mga ganon. You might use the D1 or you might use the D3. Kasi why? The sun lang pwede na. Because the sun might not give you the same configuration of D3 or D1. Kasi these are the ones that you need for COVID. Di ba? Naririnig nyo? You use vitamin D1, D3, ganyan. Ano yan? Di ba? Parang B1, B2, B3. Di ba? Yung banana, pa dyan. So, yun ang sinasabi ko. Once you have D3, that is already an active specialization o yung sub-classification ng vitamin D that you consider into the nutraceutical category. Naiintindihan ninyo?
Yes.
Ibig sabihin, hindi siya ordinaryo.
Yes.
Mas siya, high class. Di ba?
Extraordinary.
Mas nakaangat. Mas
nakakangat kasi mas iba ang function niya. Okay?
Yes.
Probiotics. Alam nyo yan. Probiotics kasi is a nutraceutical. You've been drinking probiotics, di ba?
Masarap
Dami dyan.
Okay yung chan ko dyan.
Bakit? Because they are stimulatory to your helicopter bacterium, di ba? Meron tayong helicopter, kala mo.
Helicopter bacteria.
May lumilipad sa natin, GI, gastrointestinal. No, this is a bacteria that lives with us. Helicopter, di ba? That is
yan ba yung the good bacteria?
That's the good bacteria na sa GI intestine natin, di ba? Helicobacter. So, pero, lagi ko sinasabi, ang bacteria, pag dumami, the good can be the bad. Diba? So, pag dumami sila at na-trigger because of your not doing a good lifestyle or yung behavior, pwede siya mag-cause ng ulcers and other problems in the general gastrointestinal tract. That is why you need probiotics. Yeah. Probiotics are neutralizing agents that tell your helicobacter bacteria, oy, umayos ka, tama yan.
Oo.
Easy ka lang.
Stable ka.
Relax lang. Yan,
kalma ka lang, huwag kang papakawalan.
Kalma ka lang, di ba? Di ba sa amin sa Euro, ang E. coli, we have E. coli.
Yes.
Pero very konti lang. Yung konti lang, talagang konti lang. Yung konti lang, hindi siya naka-harm. Pero pag na-trigger siya because of yun, hindi ka umiihi ng maayos, nagre-retention ka, mag-infection ka talaga. Di ba? Pwede ka magkaroon ng what you call that, yung UTI talaga. Okay? Then one example also kasi marami yan na gusto nyo, I wanna explain. It's collagen.
Collagen.
Yes.
Diba?
Collagen right here.
Tignan mo. Nasabi ko lang collagen. Si Angel
kung buulan lang ang collagen,
diba? Ang dami ng collagen capsule, collagen injection, collagen, lahat.
Collagen mask.
Pati collagen mask, collagen cream, ano pa ba? Lahat.
Lotion, lahat na.
Collagen drink.
Diba?
Ay,
drink, diba?
May pa-smoothie pa yung mga ganyan.
So this is an active ingredients with this under classification of a nutraceuticals because these are very, very good in our body system, no? So extra yan. Parang extra Diyos, di ba? Parang kung gusto mong gumanda, di kailangan maganyan ka, di ba?
Parang boost pala ito. Parang
yes,
boost.
oo. So, in essence, when you talk about nutraceuticals, okay, if you want to be looking into the ingredients, kailangan hanapin mo itong mga specialized ingredients, 'di ba? Yung mga antioxidant natin, yung sa berries, 'di ba pinag-usapan natin, Angel, Rina, yung anthocyanin, you hear that, polyphenols, yung 'di ba? Polysaccharides, yung mga ganyan, 'di ba? Yung mga cyanin yan, those are active ingredients which are under the nutraceutical classification. In general, the role of our nutraceutical is what? To give us good health, to better our lives, to better our system, and to control and elevate our nutritional value. Ibig sabihin, kumakain tayo, walang nutrition value. Minsan totoo naman, di ba, Angel?
Totoo.
Lalo na ngayon.
Tayo dyan.
In a world full of instant.
Oo, mamam ka ng mamam. Tawag yung mamam ka ng mamam. Ano bang kinakain mo? Useless.
Papak dyan.
Wala. Zero. Di ba? Daming calories pero hindi nutritious. So,
tapos hindi pa minsan nakakabusog.
Correct. So, we have to have that knowledge now na we have to gain a very good nutritional value. Di ba? Kayo, I think you love to go to the grocery and to the market.
We love it.
Before the pandemic.
Di ba tinitingnan
and we love to read the
pero
label.
Yung before, di ba, Rina? Do you look at the back and read the ingredients? Sometimes you look, di ba? I think you're very conscious.
Shampoo, di ba?
Anong ingredients?
Diba? Ay, gusto ko yan. Yung pag shampoo, di ba? Gusto nyo, ay, may aloe vera, may mga ganun, di ba?
Minsan kahit ginagamit ko,
lalo na yung mga pangbata, importante.
You're very conscious aware of that because that is very substantial
you put in your body,
our body, okay? Now, yung nutraceutical has several categories, no? I have a slide to that, no, so that you can see. It can be dietary classified dietary supplements. It can work as a functional food. Ibig sabihin, katuwang yan ng pagkain natin. So parang kumakain ka ng hindi wasto. Yung ano yung hindi wasto, yung parang, sige, kain ka ng street food. Grabe, talagang example, street food. Talagang walang nutrition yun. Tapos pwede ka mag-supplemento or you can get some substance from nutritional or nutraceuticals, okay? Then they can be medicinal food. Alam mo, Angel, Rina.
Yes.
Ano ibig sabihin? Ay, kung may sakit ka, simple flu, ganon, pwede kang mag-get ng substance that are high in like that, vitamin D, sabi ko, D3, yung mga ganon. Because they can be support to the medicine that you are taking. Support to the medicine that you're taking. And finally, some of them can be pharmaceutically aligned, 'di ba? Kaya minsan nagagalit yung mga doktor, 'di ba? There was a time, Angel, Rina, sabi nila, ito yung mga integrative doctors. Ito yung mga herbalist, tinawag na sila ng mga, 'di ba, mga internist. Mga doktor ba yan? Mga alternative medicine, mga lifestyle doctor. 'Di ba? Minsan sasabihin niya, mga doktor ba yan? Kaya they had their own society. But at the end of the day, holistically, when you look at it, one has its own benefit. No? At lalo na iisipin mo sa panahon ng pandemya ngayon, kailangan balance ang treatment management mo. What do you
I agree.
Okay? You can have the pharmaceutical, iba't yung term na pharmaceutical, puro synthetic drug. Yeah, medicinal drug. Correct, Angel. Yun ang mga ginagawa sa factory, sa industries natin. But your nutraceuticals, they are organic. Sometimes they are not walang mga linalagay na mga substance o mga preservatives para hindi masira sila, no? So they are really fresh from where they are produced and manufactured. So at this point kasi in time, you should look at management of diseases holistically, no? You cut your body into half, the right and the left.
Hold them up high.
Yes. Parang gusto kong tuloy, parang nakalimutan ko na. So, pwede yan, nagagamitin mo kung meron kang sakit, you can give your Western and your Eastern treatment. At mas maganda yan, mas madaling gagaling ang isang. Yes, you have to do it. Ako, I don't restrict myself na parang a square box na ito lang ang treatment ko, ito alam. Kasi may iba ganyan, di ba? Angel, alam mo yan, Rina, you
should try it
doctors,
also.
You've seen doctors sometimes, parang yun lang ang gusto ko. Alam mo, masyado
Hindi niya bibigyan ng pag-asa yung isa.
Parang yun lang gusto ko. Bakit iinom ka ng ganyan? Sino nag-prescribe sa'yo ng ganyan?
But science is evolving. So, kailangan sumunod din tayo with evolving studies about medicine, kung ano yung bago, diba? So, you should try it out. Also.
Look at it. There is a natural combination. I'm very happy, virgin coconut oil has been approved. Yes. Diba? Sinasabi ko sa Angel and I'm part of the clinical study of that, yung nila. So sabi ko, natutuwa ako, kailan? Matagal na linalabas yan eh. Diba? So bakit yan? That is nature. Gamot ba yan? Hindi, diba? Angel, coconut yan. So sabi ko, Dok, pag kumain ako ng coconut, makakatulong ba? Yeah, it might be. If you like coconut, the juice, yung meat niya.
Tree of life yun eh.
Diba? Ang dami nating coconut. Wag lang yung kokote mo, parang coconut.
Ganun katindi.
Diba? Yun ang Pero ibig sabihin, you should balance. Ako kasi I believe in tama. Again, it's like, kailangan na tayong lawakin natin ang pag-iisipin. Before I give the floor for your question, yung mga ganyan, kasi may iba kasi, minsan, di ba, Angel, prescribe ng mga antibiotic, parang di yata gumagaling. Lagyan ko nga ito ng ganyan.
Try something else.
Pwede. Pwede pala. Ibig sabihin, tutulungan niya yung medicine mo. Such nutraceutical can help push the enemies in our vicinity. Who are the enemies? The virus, the bacteria, the fungus. Parang tutulungan niya yung ginagamot mo para lalong mas mabilis o ma-enhance. So we take it as a holistic manner of treatment. This is me. Baka na naman ako na ano ni Dr. Lee. Kahit na urologist ako, I do that in all my patients para mas better healing.
Yung kanilang quality of life.
Okay, Angel, question.
No, I was gonna ask nga that, Doc, kasi I remember, sabi mo, specifically last time, yung spirulina is a good example of a nutraceutical na wala siyang contraindication with other medicines. But are all nutraceuticals can be used as tawag dito, alternative to whatever chronic diseases you may have, or pwede, yun nga yung kanina sinasabi mo na pwede siyang mag-work hand in hand? Lahat
very
po ba
good.
ng nutraceuticals ganun?
Very good question, because you have to align and know the ingredients. You have to align and know the ingredients. Anong ibig ko sabihin? Kung kailangan, ang sakit mo kasi is diabetes, you have to have substance that can treat your vascular, your endothelial, yung mga dugo mo, and your yung blood movements mo. So you have to have ingredients or yung nutraceutical ingredients, active ingredients that can do that. Diba? Kasi kung wala, it is a useless base. Yun ang, kaya nangyayari.
Make sense naman.
Kaya nangyayari, Angel, yung parang, sinabi ni doktor, gamitin ko daw ito, organic, wala namang epekto sa akin. Kasi tingnan mo yung ingredients niya. Nakakatulong ba? Hindi. Kaya kailangan, you should be conscious, like doctors, they watch prescription. So, pwede ba? Meron bang component niya nakakatulong? Kasi kung wala, it is a useless thing. But it will not harm you. Angel? It will not harm you. But the effect you want will not be strongly personified and seen and felt. Yun.
Okay.
Ako din may katanungan ako.
Go.
Yes. Curious lang ako. Itong pag-take ba, Doc Joseph, ng mga nutraceuticals, is it for everybody? Like parang spirulina of all ages, all walks of life, all genders, all sizes? Pangkalahatan to.
Meron kasi ginawa para dyan, di ba? Merong ginawa para dyan. Okay, like this is not to think of it na parang, sisirain niyo yung production. Like collagen. Collagen is a very high nutraceutical substance, di ba? It comes in different form, Angel. Lalo kayo, babae kayo, alam niyo yan. Okay. Now, tatanungin niyo ngayon, okay ba ang collagen na ini-inject? Or better off nakakapsulated form?
Or dapat bang
okay ba ng sinasabon o sinasalpak lang? Yun ang dapat nyong alamin. Kasi doon minsan, how much can your collagen work on you and to be beneficial to you? Hindi yung salpak ka ng salpak, wala namang effect. Kasi nakita mo lang may collagen, di ba, Angel, Rina, saka Erica, saka etiketa, collagen, hyper ka na. Wow! If you are a collagen fan, di ba, parang,
isang collagenetic.
Tapos after a month, like say, may pinapahid, bakit hindi naman nag-i-effect?
Para hindi naman ako
Kasi tama ba? Tama ba yung amount? Tama ba yung proseso? You look deeper into collagen now. That is why you study. You study the biochemical function of collagen. Sabi niya, collagen is better when you give it parenteral, 'di ba, rather than oral. Oy, nagbibigay na ako ng ano. So,
Ng tips.
so parang ay, hindi pala maganda pag bumili akong product na ginaganyan. So it's a useless product, 'di ba? It's all commercially marketed.
It's all just
in order to enhance it. You get what I mean? You get what I mean? Oo. Meron ganyan.
O, ikaw muna, Rins.
Okay, what about for weight loss? Diba kasi ang Garcinia Cambodia ba ang basa doon? Ang pag-pronounce doon is
G,
also
diba?
parang for weight loss, diba? So, and if it's good for weight loss, until when should you use it para ma-achieve yung weight loss? Should it be parang a lifetime? Nagagamitin mo siya for weight loss?
Weight loss should follow your BMI. Basal Metabolic Index. Weight loss ka, hindi yan joke. Yung parang, natuwa ka, parang nakita ko one of the posts of Eric at meron kami maintain. That's correct. Hindi yung parang, weight loss ka, dumire-diretso ka na, sumagusap ka, na anorexic ka.
Naging ting-ting.
Hindi yun. Once you have reached your BMI, that is already the time to stop.
But nutraceutical is very effective for weight loss.
Yes, there are some substance, 'di ba? Meron silang mga like yung mga kukurin, mga ganon. Meron yan mga substance ng turmeric is also good.
Wow.
Yes.
Turmeric is
like
also good
that.
for 'di ba? It's very good for a bit of losing weight kasi it has to do with your lipid
the bright
peroxidase.
yellow.
The bright
Yes.
yellow.
Yung
Kaya pag
ginger family.
pag Angel nagluluto ka na may turmeric, okay yan.
Madilaw na
Maganda na, healthy ako. Parang, I'm losing weight. Diba?
Parang exotic dish pa yung ginagawa mo dyan.
Pero don't overdo it once you have achieved your weight already.
Ayun.
So, for people,
Yun na yung i-maintain.
okay na yan. Okay na yan. Ha?
Okay. I have a question too. Before we move forward sa ating ikonsulta mo. Kasi Doc, yung mga regular mga medicines na iniinom and also antibiotic, whatever nabibili sa pharma, somehow sinasabi nila, 'di ba, dapat don't overuse it because masama din sa liver mo, 'di ba? Yun ang sinasabi nila. At somehow kapag nag-take ka ng matagal na gano'n, mag-detoxify ka para ma-flush out yung whatever toxins that you have in your body. But when you use nutraceutical, would that affect also your liver or wala lang because this is nutrition nga and supplements na sinasabi mo, Doc Joseph?
Very good yan. Parang sinabi mo, pag marami ka na over ka ng nutraceutical, mahihirapan yung atay mo o pati yung kidney mo mag-overflow at mag-overwork, alam mo, it will shut down your kidneys, no?
Yes.
Diba,
Kidney, yeah.
These are the two organs that we have to be looking very, very strongly careful, no? No, because one, it's easily dissolved and easily degraded. Hindi naman degraded, sabi, madaling ma-process, the word, ng ating atay at ang ating kidney. Okay? Kasi wala yung chain niya. Kasi you have to remember, there are drugs that are chain. 'Di ba? Synthetically chain. Yung mga alam mo sa chemistry, ayaw natin yan. Yung mga chain.
Mga bonds.
Yung mga bonds.
Chain reactions.
Yan.
Ako naalala ko tuloy yung mga ganyan.
Naalala mo tuloy. Because synthetic drugs have very strong chains. Some of them cannot be detached easily, especially those chains that has sulfur, no? Marami tayong sulfur, di ba? Mahirap yung
i-decoupling.
Pero these organic substances are very, very easy because they are either pwede silang mag-bind or be reabsorbed and very easily process sa ating atay.
So walang build-up ng stones?
Wala.
That's
wala. Maganda yan. Tingnan mo lalo na yung when we prescribe, example for our specialty, zinc. Bakit binibigyan ka ng zinc? Kasi gusto ng kailangan niya ng 1 sperm cell. And how many sperm cell is needed for that? Remember? How many? 60 million. My gosh. How many zinc milligrams do you need? Ang dami. 'Di ba?
Tapos isa lang ang mananalo.
Isa lang
Diba?
manalo. Kawawa naman yung
The winner takes all.
Ilan ba? 59 million? Hindi, 59,
They did not make the
991.
cut.
Oo, parang ganon.
Oh.
So, marami kailangan. So, it's a shared process na ano. Pero,
Nice.
tama ka, Angel, na ang liver sinusoids natin, the cells in the liver, yung liver sinusoids, can cope up with at as much as because they are organic, and the bonds, yun yung word diyan yung sinabi ni Rina, the bonds are not like the synthetic drugs that we have. They can easily wala masyadong bonds yan, they can easily be
Flushed out a process.
Yes.
Okay.
At dahil dyan talaga, kagaya ng sinasabi ko, Genesis Organic Spirulina is a high-quality premium nutraceuticals. Yan, pinag-aralan natin kanina. Enriched with organic quality ingredients for immune booster. Improves resistance to viral, bacterial, fungal, parasites, and primary carcinogenic substance. It is an effective antioxidant. It has natural cleansing and detoxification effect, and complete with nutrition for body vitality and energy. It's fully accredited and certified. For contact and inquiries, call 0931781146, 0930603481, or 0951080967. Also available online and selected outlet nationwide.